application software. The software that is designed to do a specific job and helps the user as a tool for easy operations is called application software. There are different types of application software available in the market. Customized software. Customized software is a computer program or web application that is specifically designed for a particular purpose, department, or company. Customized software is written and designed to meet the client's specific business processes. It is used in different places like schools, hospitals, shops, etc. Word processors. Word processing software helps us to write letters, notes, essays, etc. Graphics software. You can create drawings on a computer using graphics software. Utility software. Utility software is system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. It is a type of system software used to support the computer infrastructure. Examples of utility software are antivirus software, backup software, disk tools, defragmentation, scanning, etc.